So we're gonna take our baby, we're gonna watch our micro expressions, make sure we look calm, and we're gonna place them away from us. We always tell our child what we're gonna do. We're gonna go under on the count of 3. And then as we go, I'm gonna count and give him a gentle blow in his face. Go under on 3. 1, 2, 3. When you bring your baby under the water, you want to think of like a little crescent under the water, not straight up and down. A little gentle swoop. Sharky goes under on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Big breath. Under. Yeah, under. Look, they're a little young for this, but it's a good thing that you can show them this in the bathtub so that they understand that they go under on the count of 3. We're going to go under on 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Oh, did you do it? Oh, did that feel funny? Oh, we got a bee. It's a bee. So if they have a little discomfort around that, you just mirror it and then move on. Okay. Bouncing your baby before you go. So I see 1, 2, 3. You really want to try and avoid that because the only motion that the baby should feel is right before you're going to go. So it should go, we go under on 3. 1, 2, 3, up, down.